Baking is a rewarding profession that requires dedication, creativity. I want someone to read. So tell me the last paragraph I gave you. The passion of the baker.
Baking is rewarded.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Baking is a rewarding profession that requires dedication, creativity, and passion for sharing joy through the art of baking. Whether in a small bakery or a large commercial kitchen, bakers play a vital role of bringing people together through the universal language of delicious, freshly baked treats.
Okay. Let me
Can we
see.
put it inside our mouth?
Let me see. My hand is even. So we can have a bite and then let's.